Well, this is something that I have been hearing from you guys over in my YouTube comments and on my Twitter, that what Apple actually will do. Will they release a beta 9 or they would release the RC1 of the iOS 15? Well, my name is Jay. You are watching Tech Hype. Let's get right into today's video without wasting any more time. I will answer this question in this video, so be sure to watch this till the end. So how YouTubers like me predict stuff, and most of the time we are correct. Like last time too, what I predicted, the beta 8 date and all, most of the time we are correct. But at the end of the day, it is Apple, and they can do what they want to do, right? So how we do this is we look at the past. I also have made a spreadsheet where I have all the data about when Apple released which firmware and all that stuff. So according to the history, if that is an indication, we will see the beta 9, and may in fact be the beta 10. Beta 10 may be the last beta that we will see, but at the end of the day, I am still kind of skeptical on it. Why? Because Apple event is right around the corner, and the thing that I expect is that next week we will have the Apple invites and the beta 9, and after that I would expect Apple to release public beta 9 the following week, and beta 10. Beta 10 is something I am really skeptical on it. Beta 9, I am like 60-70% sure that we will see the beta 9, but at the same time, if history is an indication, we may also see the beta 10. But at the end of the day, as I said, the Apple iPhone 13 event will be coming up. Hopefully, if it will be coming up, which is probably likely that it will be coming up in next 2 weeks. Next week will be the Apple Invites event. Fingers crossed. If that will happen, we will see the public beta 9 and the developer beta 9 next week, and then the beta 10 maybe, and then the RC before the pre-order starts of the iPhone 13. Talking about the public release, I would say that public release will happen around the time, the week when Apple will start shipping and people will start getting the iPhone 13. Just don't come at me if this ain't true. Just take this information with a grain of salt, and if this won't be true, just don't come at me saying weird things over on my Twitter at the Retech Hype. By the way, you can follow me. All right. Except for the shameless plug, the date will be around 22nd to 28. I would expect the public version, the iOS 15 rolling out to public. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I answered the questions of you guys, because you guys have been just sending these type of comments and questions to me on my Twitter and in comment section for a while. So I just wanted to make a video to address everything about it. When we are going to get the public beta 9 and 10, will we even get it, and all those things. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more. Peace.